Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. So the same instruction is also applicable. You're looking out for where the as it stress on a different pattern, that is on a different syllable. Now the first word given to us is pronounced as concord, concord, concord. The option. Then take note that we have two syllables here. We have 1 and 2. Then the option B is confess, confess. Two syllable, 1 and 2. Then the third, we have 1 and 2. Then either, either, we have 1 and 2 syllables. Then able, we have two syllables, 1 and 2 syllables. So they are all bisyllabic word. Now when we talk of conquered, conquered is a noun. It belongs to a noun by this. Then say it's a noun. Then the stress fall on the first syllable. Then confess, confess is a verb. It's a verb. The stress fall on the second syllable. Then the third is also a noun. The stress fall on the first syllable. On the first syllable. It is a noun. On the first syllable. The option D, either. Either is a pronoun or determinant. Yes. So the stress fall on the first syllable. So since it's a determinant or pronoun, so the same law that guide noun is what guide pronoun. Take note of that. Then option E, able. Able is a noun, as we all know. So able is a noun. Then the stress fall on the first syllable. So the only option that takes a different stress pattern, or that the stress fall on a different syllable, is option B, which is confess. Therefore option B is our correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.